Hi everybody, this is Tammy and I am back with my round 2 video of my haul from the bead factory. So this time I went to a brand new bead factory that's in La Palma, California. I met up with Marissa, who is Creative Young Mama, and we went to that one. This one is farther, the one that's closer to me is the one that's in downtown LA. But being that this one was a brand new one, I was like, okay, sure, I'll go with you. So we met up, and before that she had texted me and asked me if I wanted these items, and I was like, yeah. So what they are some porcelain roses, beautiful, 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 and then just a variety of really beautiful shabby and vintage flares, which she said that she's had them in her stash for a long time already. So I'm glad to add them to my my stash. Okay. So like I said, this is round 2. A couple of weeks ago, I went to the downtown LA bead factory, and I already did that video. I will put a link to that video in the description box if you want to check it out. So we went to this one. Like I said, it's a brand new one. And when we walked in, the lady told us that that you have 15 minutes to shop. And we're like, what? I'm sorry, but that is rare. So I'm guessing it's because of COVID. But this place was huge. It was huge. And there was a lot of supplies, but it wasn't like so crammed and jam-packed. But still, 15 minutes was not enough to go through there. And then when she said that, we both looked at her like, are you kidding me? And then she goes, but it's okay, you know, if you need extra time, just let me know. So like I said, I'm guessing it's because of COVID. When I went to the downtown store, they did not, you know, everything's gated. You have to, there's a bell you have to ring, and then they come and let you in. And I guess it's a way of controlling the quantity of people that are in the store at one time. But when I walked in, the guy's like, okay, hi, come on in. And that was it. And then I did hear him telling other people that came in later about the 15 minutes. But he wasn't like telling everybody that. So I don't know if it had to do with the number of people that were in the store at the time, or if he was forgetting. I don't know. But at the downtown LA one, I was there for about an hour and a half. And the same with this one. We were actually in there for an hour and a half. They didn't kick us out. The girl that let us in, she saw us plenty of times. So, you know, if she, you know, really wanted to tell us to go out and come back in, she could have. But I'm thinking it's, like I said, because of COVID, and also for like crowd control. Like if there was a line, they probably wanted people to be able to come in and, you know, let more people in. I don't know. But yeah. 15 minutes in a big store like that is, there's no way. So we were happy that they didn't enforce that. So let me share with you what I got. So the first thing that I got, so you're going to see a lot of pink and pastels because that is me. And then a lot of things that I absolutely do not have and have not had. But these I've never seen either at the downtown store or anywhere else. These are gorgeous. They are acrylic, but they're a very, very nice size. They're flat, kind of fairly flat, but then they have this beautiful scroll gold work on it. And of course, there's a hole down the center. So I got this pack. I'm not sure how many is in there, but I'm guessing it's like 20 or 30. And it was only, it's 30 pieces. So it was only $1.50. So I got that one. I got this one, which is a different shade of pink and a different shape. And this one is more oval, and there's more gold foil on this one. So the core is a pinkish color, but you're seeing mostly what you're seeing is the gold. And then the hole runs length top to bottom, not side to side. So that's that one. And again, this one has 24 pieces in it, and it was $1.50. And then I got this one, which is round, and this one has 30 pieces. And I think this is like about a 16 millimeter bead, but that is so pretty too. And this has flowers and leaves in the gold foil. So really, really cute. And this hole is large enough for me to get them on a scribe pin. So for a pokey tool, look how beautiful that bead would look on there. So yeah, I got that. And then I'm just going to show you all the packaged stuff first, and then I'll show you the strands. So I got a lot more strands than I got at the other bead factory, and that's because these are ones that I'd never seen at the other bead factory, or I was just so overwhelmed at that one that I never even like spotted them. But okay, so I did get some seed beads last time, but these are really beautiful, like taupey mauve color. So I picked these up too, and these are it doesn't say. It says Ceylon round 6/0. So I'm guessing that's the size, but it's a nice size. And then I picked these up, and I was really surprised because these are acrylic. But when I first saw them, I was like, oh wow, those are nice. And I'm like, are those? And I picked up the bag, and it was so light. I'm like, these have got to be acrylic. But they are a very, very, very good quality, and they don't look like they're acrylic. They look like they're glass, and they're faceted. So, and these are 10 millimeter, and there's 50 grams. So, and that was $1.50 as well. And then I picked up these bows. These are so pretty. There are 5 pieces in here, and you can see how sparkly and glittery they are, and they have a felt backing. So I picked up some of those. I picked up some of these pink rose beads, and there are 20 pieces in here. These are $2. So there is a hole already in them that goes, you know, front to back. So I picked those up. And I picked up, I picked these up. I picked these up specifically to use on the alphabet pins because they are pretty flower, and they're really tiny. These are probably like a 4 millimeter. And there are 20 pieces for $1.25. So I picked those up. I picked up some of these super cute little Hello Kitty bells, and they had little bells at the LA location, but they didn't have any shape. So this store had Hello Kitty, they had Mickey Mouse, they had other shapes and characters where the LA store did not have those. So these are so cute. I picked those up too. And then the rest is kind of, oh no, here's some pearl drops. So they already have a loop on them. There's a rondelle, and then there's a pearl. So you get 10 pieces for $1.50. So I picked those up. And then the rest is findings or charms. So I picked these up because they look so vintage. Really beautiful gold hearts. And then I picked these up because I thought they would look really nice on a dangle or part of a dangle. Let me open it. So it is an earring finding. Or you could use it on a necklace, but I think mainly I've seen these on earrings. So it looks like that. So there's a loop here, or yeah, there's a loop here, and then there's 3 loops down here. So you can hang chain or beads from these. There's also one right in the center, so you can hang a little bead right here. So I thought that would be really cute for a dangle or earrings. I might make some earrings out of those. And oh, I got the pearl drops with the gold loop on the top. And then these were kind of fun as well. Let me open the package. And this is 10 pieces for $1.50 as well. Sorry for the noise. So these are, again, these would make really cute earrings or really pretty for a dangle. So I love the way they're like twisted, but there's a loop here. So you can hang a bead down the center, and then there's a loop at the top for you to hang it from chain or from a clasp or what have you. But I thought that was really cute, so I picked that up too. And then I just picked up some larger lobster clasp in silver. These really beautiful bows. And this is well, like a copper color or brass. So those are cute. I do have those in silver as well, but I have those in my stash already. And then I have these in my stash in silver, but I didn't have gold, so I picked up some gold ones. And then these super cute little feather charms. I got those too. And then these are the topper or the connector for the rhinestone chain. So basically you connect this to the last rhinestone in the strand, and then you crimp it closed, and then you have a loop, so then you can hang it from a dangle or a charm or from earrings or whatever. So I picked up those. I should have also picked up gold, but I completely forgot that I have gold rhinestone chain. But I think this is actually a little bit too big for the gold ones that I have. And then I picked up 3 bracelets. The bracelets were $1.50. And this is so, not really funny, but kind of funny. This one is so beautiful. It is a white crackle bead. And I picked up some crackle beads, but I was looking for white and they didn't have it. So then when I saw this bracelet, I was like, that's enough crackle beads for, you know, what I wanted. So it also has a couple of rondelle spacers, and then a clear bead, and then this really beautiful enamel shell charm. So pretty. So I had one, I put it on the counter and it slid off the counter and fell to the floor and it shattered. So crackle beads, if you drop them, they are going to shatter because they're basically a bead that already has cracks in it. But yeah, so yeah, and the floor was tile, so yeah, tile and glass doesn't mix well, and that bracelet shattered. But so yeah, that was really beautiful. And then I got these. I love these. They're like a really shiny iridescent, and I think they are acrylic. And then these are really pretty too. These are like a clay bead with like little bling pressed into it. Oh, there's a sequin on my finger, on my palm. So those are really cute too. So I got that one. And then I got this one because I love the gold rondelles. And I really got this because look at this. And this is glass, it's not acrylic. This spacer here, this faceted bead, it has a mint core. So down the center of the bead, it's the color is mint. It's not clear or white. Really, really pretty, and it goes so pretty with these mint colored beads that's on here. So really cute. And then it has this little charm. So I picked those up. So those were all of my packaged items. So let me move some of this, and then I will share with you the strands that I got. So Marissa was really busy because she wasn't in my ear that much. I call her little birdie because, like, we'll be shopping and she'll be like, you need that. I'm like, no, I don't. So she didn't do that much because she was busy shopping for herself. And we were both like, are they really going to kick us out after 15 minutes? So we were kind of rushing. So there was things, she already posted her video. So I will put a link to her video in the description box as well. So there are items that she got that I didn't get, that I didn't even see. So yeah. Okay, so my first thing is these, and these were $2.50. So I love these beads, and I was hoping they had other colors, but they didn't. They had some smaller ones, but the shape was not exactly the same, so I didn't get them. But these are so beautiful. And I love to dangle like flowers from the base and use them in dangles and charms. So I picked up those. These were frosted hearts with this, I don't know if it's, and there's, oops, There's like a groove in it. Really, really pretty. So I picked up this strand as well. And I'm not sure how much this is. This was. I think it was 2 something. But it was really pretty. I picked up this strand of beads. These are faceted and they have an AB finish. So pretty. And I don't have this size, so that's why I picked those up. But I was really kind of staying away from faceted beads because I have a lot of them in my stash. And I did pick up, I think it was 6 strands from the other bead factory. So they had these, and these are acrylic. I thought these were so pretty. They had these in this size, and then 2 sizes, 2 more sizes that were larger. But the smaller ones looked cuter. So I stuck with the smaller ones. And I was wishing that they had this in a lighter pink. But this is still really beautiful. And especially when you use it by itself, it's so pretty. But they're rose-shaped beads. And, yeah, the hole I'm pretty sure is big enough to get onto a pokey tool. So I got it in that color, and I also got the mint color. So pretty. I got this oval shaped crackle bead in this really pretty pink color. So I have nothing like this either, so I picked these up too. Oh, here's another. Oh, okay. So, yeah, I picked this one up in 2 sizes. So, here's the larger one in that AB finish, and then the smaller one. And this one was $1. They both were $1.50. So pretty. And then I picked up this really light. It's like a peachy pink color. And I think this is an 8 millimeter, and this was $2.25. So, does this have a size? Yeah, so these are 8 millimeter as well. So this must be a 4. Yeah. Oh no, this is a 6 millimeter. So those are cute. And then I got these really pretty lampwork beads. I used to have some of these, and I ran out really. Oh, I keep hitting the camera. Sorry. Really low in my stash. So these are so beautiful, and they're glass, and the core is that really pretty aqua color, and then the roses. So I picked up those. I picked up this crackle bead that is a 2-tone, blue and yellow, and it is so gorgeous. And they had it in a few different sizes, but I stuck with this size. Okay, so then the very last thing that I got was these, and these are Sheck glass beads. I don't know if that's the brand or just the style or the type of bead that it is, but they are very beautiful. This strand is sold by weight, so it's probably my one splurge, but I could not leave them there. I've never seen any like this, quite like this, in this really beautiful mauve color. But I had to pick them up. So they were super gorgeous. And there's a ton of them on here. So that was my last purchase from my second round at the bead factory. But this time I went to the location in La Palma. So thank you so much everybody for watching. I hope you're all having a really great day. Bye.